We got a problem with the forklift. Won't start.
Try and get it to go and see what happens. That's probably. Let's see. Let's just see if something might have happened overnight. Although the problem is the battery might be. Bit of choke on. Antenna. Here we go. I know if I turn the key, put a little bit of the old easy start on top of the carburetor, which is going to go. It'll start, and then as soon as it uses up whatever I've put in there, it goes off again. Just like that. Okay, at least I can take this video to the mechanic and say, what do you think I might have to look for? Somebody else was suggesting that it was going to be a hole in the fuel pipe. I just don't know why that would happen.